How to automatically stop your Apple Watch from lighting up. Apple Watch's theater mode, cinema mode, stops the screen from lighting up every time you move your arm. What if you could enable this automatically at any given time? Here's how to automatically stop Apple Watch from lighting up. Enabling theater mode can be done manually from the control center on your Apple Watch. Swipe up from your watch's home screen to reveal the control center. Then, tap the theater icon, the tragedy/comedy icon, to enable the mode. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and go to the Automation tab. Here, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Choose the Create Personal Automation option. Select the Time of Day option. Set the time you want to enable theater mode. If you want the automation to run on a daily basis, choose the Daily option. Then, tap the Next button in the top right corner of the screen. It's now time to build the shortcut. Tap the Add Action button. Search for and add the Set Theater Mode or Set Cinema Mode action. The feature is named differently in different regions. By default, the On option is selected. If you're building the automation for disabling theater mode, tap the On button and choose the Off option from the pop-up message. Now, tap the Next button. To make this automation truly automatic, tap the toggle next to Ask before running to disable the requirement. Select the Don't Ask button from the pop-up message. Now, tap the Done button in the top right corner to save the automation. You can repeat this process to create another automation for disabling theater mode. Make sure to choose the Off option from the Set Theater Mode action. When the shortcut is triggered, you'll get a notification about it. Triggering automation at a specific time of the day is just the tip of the iceberg. You can trigger shortcuts depending on your location, battery percentage, and more.